Listen, AI is making a monumental impact on how people are living their day-to-day lives. I don't want to frighten you. That's the last thing I want to do, but there are more and more people losing their jobs every single day. And statistics actually show that over 300 to 500 million people are going to completely lose their job within the next 5 years. That terrifies me. But on the brighter side, that same exact technology is going to create over 20 to 50 million new jobs, which in fact is in the same time frame. What does this mean for you? What does that mean for me? It means that we have a decision to make. This decision is something that I've already made in the last 2 years. When AI started taking over the world and taking over the landscape, I knew for a fact that this was something that was here to stay. I mean, taking the workload off of me, taking the workload off of anybody who uses it, and AI doing all of the heavy lifting for you was something that just simply inspired me. So you have a decision to make. This decision is the deciding factor if you're going to end up being a lost job statistic or someone who takes advantage of this new monumental shift in society and finally breaks free from the financial servitude that you've been under for the last decade. Now, if you're somebody who has just decided that AI is just not for you, whether you don't have enough time, whether the learning curve is just too steep for you, or frankly, it's just too difficult, what I'm going to try to do in this video is show you how I use AI, how I use it in my business, and then show you how you can use AI as like starter, and then how you can incorporate AI into your life to actually make you money. I mean, to me, it's like AI is great and all, and it makes my personal day-to-day life easier, but honestly, it also helps me procrastinate a little bit easier as well. If I have these tasks that I got to get done throughout the day, and I use AI to just cheat code my way through the system and get all these tasks done just to help me go back on TikTok, go back on Instagram Reels, go back on Twitter, and just be a detriment to my own brain, then is AI actually helping? So my job here is not to show you how to actually patronize yourself with AI, but as a matter of fact, how to use AI to make money online. Now, here are some basic ways that I just have used AI or incorporated them into my day-to-day life, and I have other videos that go way more in depth on this, but I just want to give you a few points that you can use to just immediately integrate. So first and foremost, I use Notion. Notion has its own AI integrated software. If you don't know what Notion is, it's pretty much an all-in-one database where you can customize and create for your personal, pretty much think of it as a second brain, where you can store databases, where you can store thoughts, you can store books, you can store everything that you can possibly think of all inside of Notion. Now, where it gets a little interesting is this Notion just released their own AI, which allows you to actually organize your thoughts, help it create different plannings and routines, etc. And this is how we've just incorporated it not only into our business, but into my day-to-day life. Now, the next one is Amy plus Notion. Amy is a calendar that I know I've talked about in a lot of videos, and Amy is a productivity to-do list that incorporates AI that allows you to actually time block your schedule. You plug in a bunch of tasks that you need to get done, and then using AI, it determines the importance of each task and then lays them out on your schedule and then gives you time to get these things done. Now, the one that everybody knows and understands is ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT for inspiration on YouTube videos. I use ChatGPT for inspiration or creation of logos, different visuals, and honestly, just problem solving in general. The most recent incorporation of AI that I brought into my personal day-to-day life is a new browser called Dia. Dia is by the same creator of the browser company that has created Arc. And frankly, it's a AI integrated browser where you can do searching and talking throughout all of your tabs. Like all of your tabs are integrated into this AI interface that allows you to have 20 tabs open and then using AI summarize all 20 tabs and perform actions on each tab through AI. It's fucking crazy. Now, here are some ways that you can actually integrate AI into your day-to-day life. This is not me telling you to use AI to cheat code your path to degeneracy. I'm not asking you to use AI to complete your tasks quicker so that you can then just focus more on TikTok or Instagram. No, as a matter of fact, I want to show you how to get good, productive use out of AI so that you can then start to learn how to make money from it. First and foremost, you can just swap your Chrome or your Safari or whatever browser it is that you use with Dia. No, this is not some like paid promo for Dia, but you can literally just install Dia and frankly, use AI on every single one of your tabs. The next thing I would say is just be honestly more conscious of using ChatGPT for your searching. instead of Safari or Chrome, and frankly, being more aware of how easy it is to just obtain information. Because keep in mind, ChatGPT has the ability to synthesize trillions of units of information at the fraction of a second. Let me give you an example. If you don't know what effort goes into becoming a multi-year heart surgeon or doctor, and I'm not saying ChatGPT is like perfect, but you can understand the entire fundamentals of what a heart surgeon does within a fraction of a second. Let's say you've taken some of this advice and you're ready to start integrating, AI into your life. I want you to realize that you have only just hit the bottom of the learning curve. Like you've touched the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI, and frankly, you're still very much behind. Now, in order for you to catch up, I'm gonna do you a favor. I don't want you to just be another lost job statistic. As a matter of fact, I want you to make money digitally and use AI as your companion to take you from the person that you are now to the person that you have always dreamt of being. And honestly, there's no easier time to do it now. We have the best market, we have the best technology, we have the best resources, and we have artificial AI to do all of the heavy lifting for you. It has never been easy in any day and age than now to make millions and millions and millions of dollars online. As a matter of fact, through all of history, you couldn't even make money online. And now you have tools that can actually make money online for you. And to this, I present you, ladies and gentlemen, Digital Products 2.0. You see, a digital product is a way of packaging an online product in a way that solves a particular problem for the buyer. This could be a traditional course or education program, but in 2025, this has evolved to actually being able to make tangible items or products such as apps, software, and tools. I know what you're saying to yourself is, I honestly don't even know how to use AI that well. Let me kind of fast track you really quick. It's not about knowing how to use AI. As a matter of fact, that's kind of the point of AI. AI is more about prompting than it is about knowing. When you search for something in ChatGPT, for an example, and it just gives you something like some kind of answer that you just don't know, all you have to do is just ask it to clarify it for you. You see, AI has removed the heavy lifting and honestly just makes what used to take hundreds, if not thousands of hours to do, to just simply being able to do it within a few minutes. And without me just telling you, let me actually show you. Here, my friend, is AI synthesizing information. Synthesizing information is taking a megaton of units and synthesizing all of the information or consolidating all of the information into concise and compendious bullet points that allow you to understand the vast majority of a topic within just a few points. Now here, on the other hand, is AI actually packaging the information into a resource. And now here is AI actually scripting up content that you can use for marketing purposes. And here is AI generating an artificial voice, meaning an artificial voice that is going to read the script that AI just generated from the information that AI just generated from the information that AI just synthesized. What does that leave for you? You have the resource. Now you have the video content and the script. All you need to do is click publish on your YouTube video. Now, has it literally ever been easier? Have you ever had a time within just a few minutes, you were able to become an expert on a subject, you were able to package all of the information on said subject into a resource that you can tangibly sell? Have you ever been able to just script content for you that's literally word for word what you should say on a YouTube video, and then to just go like that second notch forward and have content be artificially spoken for you through a AI generated tool? What used to be the hardest thing in any business was the marketing, but now AI is doing that for you. So like I said, all it leaves you is just simply pressing publish to upload the resource and then upload to upload the YouTube video. Now this, my friends, is why the new digital gold rush of 2025 is where teenagers are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month within the comfort of their own home office. Now I know for a fact you've seen these videos all over the place. And I want to say that there's probably nobody in this entire world that has an insight like mine. I've been in the digital product atmosphere for the last 7 years. And within the last 3 years specifically, I'm confident that I cracked the code. And honestly, it's no coincidence that the code was cracked as soon as AI became as prevalent as it has. With AI, we have the ability to launch new products every single day, targeting different niches and subjects while essentially being able to become an expert within that field. Think of it. I don't know anything about makeup, but give me a few minutes and now I'm an expert in the beauty and fashion niche. Through that, I can create prompts. Through that, I can create videos. Through that, I can generate a artificially made voice to make the videos for me and publish expertized content online, giving people a resource for people to pay for. And yes, people pay for it. Now, with the 7 years of experience that I have in the digital product market, I've amassed over $20 million in revenue, and within the last 3 years alone, over $8 million in actual profit. Now, don't take it from me, take it from all your favorite YouTubers that are claiming to have made money from their business, but it just so happens to be the fact that they're also selling a course on the side. I don't think that it's a secret that these guys are printing cash from their courses. The only difference is I'm not trying to hide it. As a matter of fact, I'm not trying to patronize you into believing that my e-com store or my set and forget strategy or my growth operating is the thing that is funding my lifestyle. No, I want to set this straight once and for all. I want to pull back the curtain just a little bit and show you what these guys are actually doing for their money. Listen, I'm not trying to say that their business isn't making them the money that they're claiming, but what I do find wildly suspicious is that none of them ever talk about the profit that they generate from their course in comparison to what they claim is the best online business to make money in 2025. Now, listen, I know that this video is going to piss some people off. Someone had to come out of the gates. It was just bound to happen. Someone had to come out and show you the true realities that everyone out there living these lifestyles is actually doing. And every single one of them just so happens to be selling a digital product. Now, this is actually how you get the Lambos and the GT3 RS and how you retire your family and how to just simply get the fuck you money. It's not a coincidence that every single one of these content creators just so happens to have a program alongside the business that's making them all of their money. And don't get me started on all of these events that these guys have recently started holding. Sadly, I gotta just come out and tell you, this is their way of convincing you that what they do is actually generating them all the money that they claim to make. Have you ever stopped and thought for once in your life that maybe the business is actually selling you the product on how to do the business? Now, making money online has just simply never been easier than it is today. In 2025, and honestly, I can't even imagine what it's going to be like in a couple years from now. But why do you think so many people are losing their jobs? Honestly, it's because these corporate companies know that they can replace 90% of their staff, and frankly, they're just doing that. It's increasing their margins, and it's getting more work done. I mean, the AI doesn't need to go home at 5 p.m. It's a constant cycle that is literally generating everyone involved just to simply put more money. Now, let me just say this. If you want to avoid just being another lost job statistic, because I can promise you it doesn't matter what job you're doing. I mean, in China, they already have gotten rid of 90% of their McDonald's workers, which you would think that like fast food, those type of businesses just couldn't be automated, but they are literally being automated with robots. There are videos all over the planet of robots taking over fast food worker jobs. Now, don't get me started about tech companies, because tech companies are like actively using their employees to help them build AI that is going to help them replace themselves. How disgusting is that? If you don't want to be another lost job statistic and instead you want to be an outlier, then frankly, you need to put your entire effort into learning how to utilize AI. And I'm sick of all the hidden BS that everyone is patronizing you guys with. And I want to show you what they're actually doing to live this lifestyle. And if you want to live the lifestyle that these guys are living, it's not coming from growth operating. It's not coming from the set and forget strategy. It's not coming from stock trading. It's not coming from the copywriting. It is coming from digital products. The next time you watch your favorite YouTuber who's teaching you how to make money online, take a look at what they're doing behind the curtains. And with all of that being said, we both know that you have a decision to make. And frankly, you're the only person that can make that decision.